Here just south of Siam, also known as Attica Junction. We got 2 NS trains that have the green here going through the over the CSX B&O diamonds. I'm waiting for this. I don't think this is it, but the Conrail unit is supposed to be coming through here soon. So this is a NS coal train, it looks like here. He's really working hard to pull it upgrade here, because this is upgrade right here near Attica. About ready to go down there and hit the diamonds in Siam. I don't usually go down there. That's track workers are usually there during the daytime, so definitely getting some trouble to get back near there. We got loaded coal here, right here, NS Top Guns. It's gray ones. Back here, so you can see it coming up the hill. Good chance this coal train's going up the Sandusky line all the way up to Sandusky. They put coal on freighters up at the docks in Sandusky, so could be getting staged there. Those of you ever in that area, there's where it used to be a Triple Crown yard. Actually, they stage that usually for coal now. I'm here at Siam, also known as Attica Junction. We got a southbound NS intermodal that has green on the coal sand Columbus Sandusky line here. They just let a coal train through in my previous video heading north. And at this intermodal, he was waiting because CSX controls the diamonds here. And he just got the green here a few minutes ago, so he's heading south down to Bucyrus, Marion, and Columbus. He's actually got the hood door open there, probably out enjoying some fresh air when they were stuck waiting. So. Heading south, the intermodal here. ET44 and an SD78 on it. started. 2 engines, double stack, probably 150 cars. A lot of weight. Here at Siam, and we have a southbound NS about ready to hit the diamonds for the crossing the B&O here on the coal sand line. It's got a unit tank train. And he's on the wrong main, so I'm going to back up here. Sorry about that, me bouncing around there. Looks like we got CN locomotives here on this train. And these are all three, looks like they're CN. Third one there had, I think it was like an autism speaks. As you see, they're heading wrong main south down to Attica here. Unit tanks, 1267. I believe this is crude oil. See, it heads down. It's actually downgrade here as you come out of Bellevue down towards Attica. Attica's just to the south. Those of you guys that are into sprint car racing, you can see the light towers up in the background down there on the left. That's actually Attica Raceway. So they usually do sprint car races, open wheel races on Friday and Saturday nights. I'm going to switch back to the other side because I've got cars lined up that once this clears, they're going to come through on this side. So I'm going to pan back. Okay. I'm a little wary because I had a local here. She about hit me earlier, so about clipped my toes. Not cool. So. See, this is unit 1267 hazmat class, and if I remember it correctly, this is crude. As you can see in the distance there, it just cleared the Siam diamond. pick up some speed as it gets downgrade down near Attica. It stays downgrade from Attica to Bucyrus, and it's pretty level between Bucyrus, Marion, maybe a little downgrade between Marion and Delaware. Just picking some speed up now with 3 CN units on the head here. You see, that's all she wrote for that one. Here at Siam, and there's a westbound CSX in the distance here. He's gonna hit the diamonds and cross over the NS coal sand line or Sandusky line. Got 2 newer locomotives running elephant style, hauling a unit tank train as he hits the diamonds there. Not sure if this is empty crude or empty ethanol. Usually that's what one of the two you usually see in this area. See, that's the end of the, just about the end of this tanker train.